Okay, today I want to talk to you about the Triton Superjaws. The Triton Superjaws is built in a tripod shape, and which makes it really easy to get in close to your work, and it's one of the most effective and handy ways of holding on to some of your projects. The Triton Superjaws allows you to hold projects from nothing and all the way up to 36 inches by sliding this jaw back and forth. You can also take it and rotate it around, which gives you up to that 36 inches of grip. So you can really clamp in some big pieces. So I'll show you how to use this. If you want to clamp something in place, take your block, take your project, slide the jaws all the way forward, and then in the front we have this locking mechanism. Slide that to the lock position, and then simply step on the foot pedal. And the harder you step on that, the more pressure it's going to put onto your project, and it's up to 2,200 pounds of pressure. So you can see that the project isn't going to move anywhere once you get it in place. When you want to release your project, simply take the locking mechanism, slide it to the unlock position, step on the foot pedal, and release it, and your project can be removed. The nice thing about the Triton is that it also folds up into a very compact space. I normally tell customers to always leave it out because it allows you to find a lot more uses for it. But when you're not using it, slide the jaws closed, flip this over, and then pull on this ring here and slide the lever down. Next, on here, if you can notice on this knob that it's round on this side and flat on this side. Turn it to the flat position here, and that'll allow you to drop the legs down. Same thing on the other side. On the last one, loosen the knob, and then you can pull this straight up. Pull that straight up and slide it in place and lock it. So when you're not using it, say it's very compact, something to store in a corner of your room when you need to. And so if you're taking this back apart or want to set this up again, loosen your knob, slide it out, lock that in place. Lift up the legs. Make sure to turn this so that the round part of this is covering up the metal on the main frame. Same thing on this side. Bring out your lever, lock it in place, and turn it over. And you're ready to work. We've sold the Triton Superjaws for several years now, and we have heard excellent feedback from many customers about how easy it is to use, how solid it is. I have heard of some people, if they're using a large mallet or something, they're worried about it not being anchored properly in place. I've seen some people take some sandbags, put them onto the feet, and that kind of helps keep it from shifting around. But we've been totally impressed with this Triton Superjaws. It's something I've got in my house, and I love it. So that's the Triton Superjaws for you today.